Okay, Scout. Scout, do you want to do a video? No. You don't even know what the video is about, Scout. Nah. Nah, Grandma. I don't feel like doing it. Grandma, I'm tired. I'm tired, Grandma. I'm just tired of being cute. I'm so cute. But anyway, Scout. But look, it's gonna be a unboxing video, Scout. We're gonna we're gonna get to see Grandma try to open a box. Ew, that's fun. Grandma should struggle. Grandma should have a hard time opening it. Grandma's not good with opening boxes. Come on, Grandma. Don't hurt yourself, Grandma. Well, let's see what the box is, Scout.
It says,
Look, Scout. So, Grandma has a new iPad, and she's still using her old headphones, and it has the newer connections called the USB-C, right? So this is an adapter, like 9 something at Best Buy. So Grandma can plug this to the new connector on the new iPad that she got for Christmas, and then she can plug her old headphones into this headphone jack. Grandma, can we see your old headphones, Grandma? Can we see them?
yes. Everything's so hard. I'm gonna see it first. Papa didn't tell me how to open it.
Is there another way to open it, Grandma? I don't know. Let me see it. Well, you get the headphones.
Not even a child can open it. Not even a child can open it. It's so hard. They're child-proof. Adult-proof. They're grandma-proof.
But look at the headphones. Look, see, here's the connector. Yeah. Okay, Grandma, you gotta break back to the box, Grandma. Back to the box. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
You can't even see them in the store.
Yeah, Grandma, so you won't steal it from the store.
Oh, they're gonna come and catch you before you even do anything.
You know, hey, don't steal, Grandma. Don't steal nobody. Grandma paid for this.
We went and bought it. Oh.
Looks I had one, but I lost it.
Papa, you lost
For
it.
this phone that I'm recording with.
Oh, how did
But
you
there it
lose
is. Grandma did it. Took her, I don't know, more than a minute.
I just put it like this. Oh, wow. I can...
So now you can listen with your wired headphones.
I wanted to serve Grandpa. And I just put this here.
But yeah, so there. Now you have the option of that or the speakers. Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow. Yep. Yeah, because I didn't know how to use it. I didn't know how to use the iPad because I don't know.
Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah, and I put the screen protector on for Grandma, so it has a screen.
No,
I see the smudges already. Grandma has dirty fingers. Dirty fingers, Grandma.
That's why Grandma's gonna clean it more often because it just happened. I have naturally grease in my hands a little bit, even though I clean.
From cooking, right, Grandma? Ooh, look at you, so cute, so cute. Bye bye.